hours earlier because apparently Tony's trauma needs a PowerPoint presentation. We cut to Las Vegas when Tony starts getting an award for the most chaotic genius alive. But where's Tony? Not at the ceremony. Nah, my guy is out here at the casino playing craps, surrounded by models and bad decisions. Meanwhile, Colonel James, Brody Rhodes, his best friend and designated babysitter, is up on stage trying to accept Tony's award. He's reading off all Tony's credentials and accolades like a proud mom who's about this close to whooping him. Tony Stark, visionary, genius, American patriot. Camera cuts. Tony's at the blackjack table like, hit me. Bro's literally gambling while being honored for building the military's toys. You can't even script irony barrels in this.
Sorry guys, I fell asleep. Anyway, today I'll be going camping and mudding. Let me just get changed real quick. Let's see. Oh yeah. Okay. Ignore my text. Anyway, this is the fit real quick. Let me know what. Rate it on a scale of 1 to 10 down in the comments. Now let's go.
Flashes of his own rockets raining down around him. His life's work literally fine racing, fade to black. He wakes up in a cage. A pump battery attached to his chest by wires like a discount iPhone charger. Power's on 20%, no power mode. His shirt's off, chest bleeding, panic is everywhere. That's when we meet Jensen, the realest man in the desert. Calm, kind, holding the soldering tool like it's holy. Don't do it, do it alive, do it now. Tony's like, what did you do to me, bro? Jensen was like, bro, I saved your life. And then he points to the rig and Tony says, I connected this matter. Translation, Tony just became an off-brand cyborg powered by car parts. Then the door slams open, masked gunmen rush in. These dudes are for 10 rings. A terrorist group that looks like a low-level Call of Duty lobby. They talk Tony a camera recorder and make him a deal. Build in the Jericho method or die. Tony looks around the cage, piles of his own weapons everywhere. His company's logo on every crate. You can literally see the gears turning in his head like, I'm the villain, my own movie. That's crazy. He looks at Jensen, who gives him that, don't be stupid, rich man. You better listen, face. Tony's like, alright, I'll build you the milk. But deep down, he's already planning something way worse for him. So boom, Tony's stuck in his cave like he just respawned in hardcore mode. That night, while guards argue over whose beard is superior, Tony sketches on scrap paper. He looks like he's designing a missile. Camera zooms in. Nah, Tony unplugs the car battery, wires the new glowing circular to his chest cavity like a DIY surgery tutorial from hell. Light comes to life. This Tony's like, shit, the mission, let's explode. Every boot. The next morning, the 10 rings judge in Roger, their leader with eyeliner something up the test lab. He expects Tony's practice, they inspect the blueprint. Half of which looks very too quick for a mission. Roger over his head, Tony sweating bullets but keeps his focus. The suit, propulsion unit for the stabilization. Roger ain't buying it though. He tells his men he's not down by tomorrow.
here. Finally. I do recommend you turn down the volume on your TV or headphones, but oh well. Anyway. Okay. Gotta get the camper done. Okay. Okay, I gotta get some food. I'm gonna cook it in the oven. So I'm gonna go up there. I'm gonna get food out of the fridge. Actually, nah. I'm gonna go mudding. I know I got flipped. No. Why do I keep flipping?
cut grits. Barely lands for his own roof again. Dummy sprays home once again with that comedic timing. Tony over here groaning and jumping. And then the movie hits us with that DJ Khaled. Because we get another montage. This right here is 2.0. Tony polishes the design. New LA, is something classic. Jarvis renders it hot rod red and gold. Tony was like,
Okay.
that's how you flex responsibility. Meanwhile, Peppers is trying to keep Stark Industries from imploding while Tony hides in the basement like
I'm just gonna watch some TV.
Stain visits and bro is all smiles. Stain was like, the Lord is worried about you, Tony. And Tony was like, they should be worried for me. Stain over here like, just remember, you're not the only adult in this company. Tony is like, you're the flowers. Tony over here, I'll sleep in the future.
It's nighttime already? I guess I'll make food. At least I think I have food.
He rockets above the Malibu's cliffside, loops through the clouds, and casually overflies a commercial airplane. Pilots, radios, and a UFO. Military over there panicking.
I got the food.
Tony was like, no worries, just your funny neighborhood capitalist here. Jarvis tracks vitals, heart rate 120, altitude 85,000. Tony done hit the stratosphere and bro over here icing again. Tony was like, okay, guess we're still freezing. He drops back down, hits Mach 2, and streaks across the night sky.
Put it for 2 minutes.
Lands perfectly in his garage over here, oil farming.
Okay, it's done.
Jarvis was like, power restored. 5, 4, Tony the face plant.
I'm gonna watch some SpongeBob while eating.
And Raza's bragging about holding Stark's hostage. Pulls out a sonic paralyzer. This weird 24 Raza's gang lives. He strolls around like a evil DJ, collects all the
Yummy.
parts, says technology.
Time for the fries.
Man with the resources. You realize then this man didn't shave his head for aerodynamics. He's over here plotting a coup d'etat. Back at the lab, Tony's watching the news of the Afghan village destroyed by First Weapon.
Yummy. Oh, yummy.
Iron Man goes on first real mission. Elvis over here narrating like NPR things for chaos. Project Lock for Vera, Houston, home village.
I'm gonna go to bed. Good night, guys. Me. It's morning. Okay. Yeah.
Threads the needle and annihilates the truck. Bad guys go flying like dogs in a tornado. Another group corrals villagers in a square. Guns raised, full execution mode. Tony lands between them and the civilians. Bah, bah, bah. Ting, ting, ting. He takes a whole magazine to the face like, sir, be serious. Do you see what I'm wearing? Then he fires a cluster of spark micro darts. Helmet shows lines linking targets. 5 red dots. Tony was like, good night. Bah, 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 bah. 5 bad guys drop simultaneously like bad Wi-Fi. Then a tank rolls into frame. Okay, so now we're doing armor versus armor.
Okay.
Tony looks at it.
Okay, it's morning. Gotta hook my car back up.
robot. Bad guys scrambling to their final car. Tony rips the engine out that mud like he's shopping for souvenirs. He scans one last building. Guess who inside? That boy Ross, scowling in his eyeliner, fleshing out a back door like a roach. Tony marks him for prioritizing the civilians. The suit's not about a scoreboard. It's about finishing the car. Everything clear. Tony notices the beat. It was at the Air Force Base, and the radar is over there. Like, look, Brody gets a call back. We got an unidentified bogey. Brody appears. Please don't. Stands his countermeasure flares, jukes him again. One missile loses the lock. The remaining Raptor locks guns. Tony's over there spinning around, perches on the jet like a hawk as the lightning knocks. High, pilot over there panicking. Wing wobbles. Tony over here on Rhodey's line like, okay.
I'm gonna eat guys when I get home. Finally, I arrived home. Anyway, I'm gonna go to bed. I'm tired. Even though it's the morning, I'm tired. I'm going to bed. That's it for today's video, guys. See you next time. Peace. Like and subscribe. Bye.